Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where the Bing Wallpaper app is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Here's what you have to do. First of all, search for Store in the Windows search bar and then open the Microsoft Store. Okay, wait now. And then search for Bing Wallpaper and then go to Bing Wallpaper. Okay, now once this is done, you have to click on Install. This will start installing the Bing wallpaper. Wait till it is done. And once it is done, you will have to search for Bing wallpaper. And you can open the application. Okay. So that's how you can set Bing wallpapers on your system. Now, if it's not working, then right click on the start button and select settings. See, it worked right now. It does need a little bit of time. But if not, then right click on the start button, select settings, go to personalization and background. Okay, and make sure that it is selected at picture and not at window spotlight. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.